How to register for a conference. Are you thinking about registering for a conference but need a little help with the process? No problem. I'm here to walk you through the entire registration process on the Global Conference Alliance website. Let's get started. First, visit our website at globalconference.ca. Once you're on the home page, hover over the Conferences tab and select Upcoming Conferences from the menu. Here, you'll see our upcoming global conferences listed by different countries, such as Canada, the USA, Mexico, Australia, and Turkey. Suppose you want to attend the global conference in Canada. Click on that option. A new page will open with all our upcoming conferences in Canada. Scroll down to view the list. If you want to filter the conferences, you can easily do that from the sidebar. Click on a conference you wish to attend. On this page, you'll see all the details about the conference, including the early bird registration deadline, paper submission deadline, registration deadline, and conference date. Now you can register as an author, early bird, author, regular, or listener. If you want to attend the conference as an author, you'll need to submit your paper for peer review first. To submit your paper, scroll down a bit and select Paper Submission. Here, you'll find all the paper submission criteria. Fill in your personal details, upload your paper under the Upload Documents section, and click the Submit button. You'll receive an email once your paper is approved. Once your paper is approved, select your ticket type, author, early bird, or author, regular, and click Register Now. Fill in your details in the registration form. On the sidebar, you will find options for Notarize the Invitation Letter and Visa Expedite Request Letter. Select the option if you need any of these. Once you have filled in all the necessary details, proceed to pay the conference registration fee. Global Conference Alliance accepts all international debit and credit cards, PayPal, and direct bank transfers. Select your preferred payment method and click Place Order to complete the payment. Once you're done, you will receive a congratulations message confirming your registration for the conference with Global Conference Alliance. Don't have an author paper? No worries. You can still attend our conferences as a listener. Select the ticket type as listener for your chosen conference and click Register Now. A new page will open. Here, you'll need to fill in your details. In the sidebar, you'll find options to request a notarized invitation letter or a Visa Expedite Request Letter. If you need either of these, just select the option. Once you've completed the form, it's time to pay the conference registration fee. Choose your preferred payment method and click Place Order. After payment, you'll see a congratulations message confirming that you've successfully registered as a listener for the conference. We look forward to seeing you at one of our conferences soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us. Happy conferencing!